We're going to do the review on the EPCOT International Flower and Garden Festival Blossoms of Fragrance Wax Collection. These are definitely my favorite that I've gotten in a long time because my favorite is the floral family, and these are all very floral.
It's Disney-Scentsy.
Disney-Scentsy. So the first one is Mint Fields. This one is Wander an Invigorating Field of Spearmint Leaves and Peppermint Leaves with a light breeze of crisp greens.
And these
You
are
want to
yellow.
smell this?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Papa likes this one too. No? Abby's not big on the spearmint, I guess.
No, not really.
Okay.
Can I hold this one?
Okay, let's show the camera this one. Heirloom Rose.
Can I say it?
You're gonna like this one, Abby.
Can I say Airmint Lose?
Heirloom Rose.
Oh.
Smell it. Go ahead and smell it. No?
Not really.
I love this one.
Like,
It says, like a breath of fresh air, garden
This one's
rose
broken.
enlivens the senses with a sprig of lush greens.
and this one is
So if you like
yellow.
rose, this I highly recommend this one.
Wait, let me.
That one's called Soft Plumeria.
But it's a little bit broken, so.
Well, the case got a little broken. That's okay. Pink Plumeria evokes memories of island days with a slice of sweet apple and warm white teakwood. Oh, she likes that one. This one is nice. These are my two favorite out of the three. I mean, I love rose, but this one's very special too.
Can I talk?
What would you like to say?
Wait, think it out. I'm gonna say I love ice pops.
Okay.
I love ice pops.
Hope everybody's having a great
talk a little bit?
spring break. We have spring break this week. Yes.
Can I say something?
What do you want to say? Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
See you next time.